everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I got my IPSY for December 2023. That's like IPSY BOXYCHARM box. It's such a cute little box. Let's get into the box and show you guys what I got. So it comes with this pamphlet. As always, you're the main attraction. Cute little Christmas theme, pink Christmas. And as always, just gives you all the products that were included in this month's box, or you could have purchased it in their store if it wasn't something you got in your box. So the first product I got is from Makiage, the Color Boss Squad Eyeshadow Palette in Trendsetter for $48. I did get another one, more of like a bronzy one. So this one is more of that like mauve-y palette, and it is really pretty. I'm wearing it in my eyes today. These shimmers are like intense. They're like wet and foiled. Sometimes it's a lot for like an everyday look, but they are really buttery and smooth. The mattes felt really good too. And the mattes are really smooth too. I did feel like this deep shade was buildable. It wasn't too pigmented when I first laid it down in my outer corner, so that was nice. So yeah, I think this is a really pretty mauve palette. The second product that they chose for me, I don't know if I mentioned, they chose this for me as well. I think it's I'm not even sure what the brand is. I'm not even gonna try to butcher it, but this is the brand. And this is the Retinol and Hyaluronic Acid Renewing Serum, which retails for $78. So a little more pricey. And this is for aging and blemishes. And the hyaluronic acid in it is so your skin stays irritation free. And the reviews were really good on IPSY. So they must have given out this product before to other people. There's like 78 reviews and they were really good, and people actually noticed the difference. I got on the website, it says after 4 weeks you should start noticing, and people were saying they use it for 2 months and they really notice a difference. So I'm hoping that's the case. And this is a serum. It's like a milky serum. I did try it on my skin just before I filmed this. I washed my face and then I put this on, and it does have that like a rose scent. It is highly scented. Very rose heavy. I don't mind it, but if you don't like the way rose smells, you probably would not enjoy this. But yeah, let's hope for the best with this one, and because that's exactly what I need, is stuff for aging and blemishes. Now the third product I chose, and I was so excited to see this on the website to choose, is the Cali Ray Come or High Water. This is a tubing mascara, which retails for $24. I did get a mini as like a 100-point perk at Sephora, and I loved it. I love tubing mascaras. I really like the way they build on my lashes. They're easy to remove. It doesn't smudge. It doesn't flake. It lasts all day. And you literally, all you need is water, some warm water, and it just comes off in tubes. And this one is a really good mascara. It says it's a clean formula, and I am wearing it right now. I just love it, and I am very happy to get a full size. And I'll show you guys the brush. It is just like a smaller natural bristle brush. Nothing crazy, but because it's a little smaller, you could really get in there, and it's easy for the lower lashes as well. Emily Noel actually uses this mascara on her lower lashes. I believe she still does in all her videos. Now the fourth product that I chose is Selfless by Hyrum. Hyrum is a skincare influencer. I remember I used to watch him on YouTube, and he created this brand, and it was being sold in Sephora, but they stopped selling it in Sephora, and now it's being sold in Target, I believe. This is the Mandelic Acid Embrace brand Gentle Exfoliating Serum. So you put this on at night every other day, like as a serum, and it's supposed to help with a brighter complexion and prevent clogging of pores. I haven't tried it yet, so I definitely want to try it tonight. See, these two products I definitely can't use together. I don't know if it would be too much to like rotate every other day. Probably. I'm assuming that'd be too much, but my skin can handle this stuff. So I don't know. I'll have to look it up, but I have tried mandelic acid before in a toner and it did wonders for my skin. So that's why I chose this. So I'm very excited and yeah, got that as well. And the last product that I chose, the 5th product in the box is from Ace Beauty. It's the Effortless Radiance Loose Setting Powder. I got mine in the shade Fair. And this retails for $26. And I don't know if I told you guys, but the mascara was $24. The Selfless by Hyaluronic was $21. But yeah, this one is $26, which is actually kind of really pricey because this is a small little setting powder. And this is supposed to be a velvety matte with a touch of glow. And this one actually had pretty good reviews as well on IPSY's website. And I did try it today, and it just has simple basic packaging, and it does feel really like silky, and I did feel like it set my makeup pretty well. I don't know if I really noticed any glow. I did put highlighter on. Yeah, I don't know about a glow, but it definitely like mattified my skin, and my face does feel soft. But the total value of my box was $197, and I paid around, it was like $33 and some change. And I don't think this was a bad box. Honestly, it wasn't like the best box ever, but it wasn't bad. Like, I'm really happy about this mascara. It's currently being sold at Sephora. The setting powder is okay. The eyeshadow palette's cute. It's something I could use like on an everyday basis. And the skincare is actually something I've been needing. Like, I don't have any retinols right now, and I've been curious about this brand. And I feel like I got this box rather quick too. Normally it does not come this quick. I feel like I just did my choice. So but anyways, guys, what do you think about this box? Do you get IPSY BoxyCharm? What do you think of your box this month? And I don't know, I'll see you guys soon. I will be doing my Bath & Body Works haul once for body care weekend. I'm so excited. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.